I'm going to show you how to mute the host in Parsec. So the first option is when you are during a session, you can basically use the overlay by holding down Control and Shift and then pressing M to open up the overlay. And then you can use the overlay or click on the Parsec logo and then basically turn the sound off by clicking on the sound option or sliding the volume all the way down to 0. And the second option is to use the volume mixer on Windows in the host PC itself. Right click on your audio icon and open up the volume mixer, and then find Parsec in the apps list here and bring its volume all the way down on your clients, the clients that are connected to the host. And the third option is to turn off the audio from the settings. So you want to go to settings and then go to host and scroll till you find the audio entry and make sure to select default here. And now you can basically close or restart Parsec and try to reconnect again. And the last option is to click on the audio icon here and bring down the volume to 0 in your Parsec host computer, and the connections, the clients or the viewers should immediately stop hearing the audio and the host is going to be muted. That's pretty much of this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.